So come back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe, and most definitely welcome. So the music industry is mourning the loss of talented Bokang Moleli, popularly known as Malome Vector. The Lesotho-born artist died yesterday afternoon in a car accident with his friend Lizwe. Malome Vector is a rising star in the South African music. The details surrounding his journey is unclear. Ambitious entertainment, where he once represented, expressed their loss and described him as a shining beacon. I'll say to rest in peace, and the South African industry is indeed mourning the young ones. I think beginning of the year up to now, we have several artist that has died of you remember Mpo not so long ago, he died because of an accident again. So this is indeed sad. I don't know the cause of the accident, what happened, but this is something that is sad to hear.